Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my session. Today, I'm going to take 7th class English Unit 1 A Reading The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Now, children, here is the face sheet and introduction part of your lesson The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. So, two pictures are given here under this face sheet. Now, can you notice the difference between the two pictures? I hope you got it, children. Right? Okay, here on the left side of this picture, we have the scenery of village. On the right side, we have the scenery of city life. Okay? Now, there are so many differences regarding these two pictures. Here in village, we can see the kacha houses. Right, children? And most of the villages are farmers. We can see here agriculture laborers also, and bullocks, bullock carts, cows and buffaloes. And the village is surrounded by beautiful fields and hills. And here the village environment is calm and peaceful and pollution free. Right, children? Now coming to the right side of this picture, that is city life. In city, we can see pakka houses. We can see multi-stored buildings. And we can find number of people like employees, merchants working in various fields. And here in city life, we can see buses, cars, so many vehicles, two-wheelers. And city life is also surrounded by industries and workshops. The city life is full of noise, children, and it is full of pollution. Okay, so these are the differences we notice or observed in these two pictures. Now coming to the second question, where do you think life is peaceful? Why? Okay, children, you got the question? Now most of the people, they say that they want to live in the village. Right? Why? Because the village environment is without traffic and it is covered by the green fields. Okay? And people living in village are very cordial and helpful to each other. Okay. Now, coming to third question, do animals feel the same like you? Do animals feel the same like you? How we are feeling that we want to live in the village, the same way animals also feel like you? Of course, yes. Now here you have an oral discourse. Talk on the place you like to live, a town or a village. So children, you have to participate in the debate whether you want to live in a town or a village. Now here in the next page, A Reading The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Here the town mouse live in a town in a kitchen cupboard and the country mouse live in a country home. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often wrote to each other. One day, the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. So, children, here is the letter that the country mouse got from his cousin. Kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town, 11 March 2012. Dear cousin, I have been ill with cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. He has advised me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. With warm regards, your affectionately Town Mouse to Country Mouse, the mouse hole, mouse country. So this is the letter from the town mouse to the country mouse. Here, look at these two pictures, the town mouse and the country mouse. Here, receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. So coming to the explanation part of this paragraph, children, receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse felt very happy and packed all his luggage and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was very bright and sunny, and the town mouse began to feel very hot. Here, bright and sunny means the sun shining very brightly. Due to that, he felt very hot. And what he expected is that air-conditioned coach. But the train which he travelled was an ordinary train without AC. So he felt very terrible and he felt very hot. Due to that, he felt very uncomfortable. Means very discomfort or painful. Okay. However, there was nothing he could do about it, so he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. Now here, children, once he entered into the train compartment, whether it was an AC or ordinary compartment, we can't do anything. So there was nothing he could do about it. He has to travel in it at any cost. So he grumbled to himself. Here the word grumbled means making some dull sounds or muttering. Okay. And the train chugged slowly into the country. Here the word chugged means moving slowly. The train was moving very, very slowly. The country mouse was waiting at the station. Oh, cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. Now, after getting off the train, the town mouse said to the country mouse that the train was very dreadful. Here the word dreadful means very fearful journey or extremely bad journey. So that I feel terribly hot and thirsty. Here terrible means very serious. He felt very hot and thirsty. Whenever we go for long journeys, we feel thirsty. We want to drink some cool water, that is chilled water. So in the same way, he is also expecting something ice cold for him to drink at home. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse, but I can look for some coconut water if you like. Here the country mouse said to the town mouse that he was not having ice water or cold water. He have only normal water. But if he like, he definitely look around for some coconut water. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? So the town mouse was asking for the orange juice or lemonade. He won't like to drink normal water. He was asking for the juice, that is orange juice or lemonade. I'm afraid not, replied his cousin, but I found a very piece of root today and a tender bit of sugar cane. I'm sure you will enjoy that. Here the country mouse replied that he was not having ice water, he was not having orange juice and lemonade, but he found a very piece of root today, a tender bit of sugar cane, and he expecting that the town mouse will enjoy it. He was surely going to enjoy it. Okay. Root, sugar cane, the town mouse exclaimed. But I do not eat raw food like that. So here the town mouse exclaimed means surprise or strong emotion. He said that I don't like to eat raw food. I like to eat cooked food or baked food. Now the country mouse said, this is what we eat in the country, so I'm afraid you too have to eat this. Try it. It's not bad. Now the country mouse started convinced the town mouse to eat the food which is available in the countryside, that is root or sugar cane. Okay. Now the town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, there you are, you can sleep there. Now the town mouse did not enjoy the dinner, so he started nibbling the root or sugar cane. Here the nibble means taking small bites. Then the town mouse asked that he want to sleep. Then the country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole to sleep.